I got you, lovebirds. I know I'm not a pretty bird, but I used to be. Lights, camera, action.
I was striking suave, ambitious, fit to peak, super delicious. Now I'm vile, I am thin and vicious. Oh, and malicious. I had it all, the TV show, two, I was small, over 1 foot 2. Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do. So young and vital, South American Idol. Said that about me. Have you rotisserie? I was looking, oh, telenovelas, the envy of all the other fellas. Then I was pushed out for a pretty collie parakeet from Paraguay they call Patricius. Common Paraguayan bank. I'm in Sicilians. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm a cockatoo. Yes, that bit's true. I'm a feathery freak with a beak, a bird murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard you. I'm evil. I'll free your cheese for weevils. I poop on people and I blame it on seagulls. It was him. I'm invincible. I'm unrinsable. I'm unwashable. Unrinsable. Like an abandoned school, I have no principle. Brazilian birds. Or 18 million birds. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you. Shut up now. Shut up! It's just me. I will make you ugly.